Clip-on part. Turn on.
Hooray! Let's have some fun! Activity mode. Touch and learn. Let's play again later.
Apple.
Hooray! Let's
Apple.
have some fun! Activity mode. See you later. Come on, let's
Hit the
play.
woof.
Activity
We're gonna hit the woof.
W says woof.
Woof. Woof.
Let's play again later.
Micah keeps on turning it on and off. Why do you keep on turning it on and off? Can we turn it on?
No.
No. We're gonna do music mode. No. Hit it on.
Hey there, ready to play music mode?
Hey, I was playing this. Playing music. How do you play the music part?
9, 8, 6, 3, 5, 7, 9. Call a friend mode.
Call a friend mode.
Friends to see how they're doing today.
Call a friend.
Press the numbers that you hear. Press 8.
Press 8.
8.
We're calling somebody.
Hello? This is Emma.
Say hello.
I'm eating right now.
She's in.
Let's talk again later, okay?
Let's talk again later.
Let's call another friend.
Should we call another friend?
Press the numbers that you hear. Press 9.
Press 9.
9. Now press 8.
Now press 8.
8. Now press 1.
Now press 1.
1.
Good job. Who we calling?
Hi, this is James speaking.
James.
How are you? I'm going to play basketball today.
He's gonna play basketball.
How about you?
You wanna play basketball with him?
Let's call another friend.
Yeah, let's go play basketball with James.
Press the numbers that you hear. Press 9.
Press 9.
9. Now press 8.
8. 8. Press 8. Right here.
8.
See? Micah, I'm helping you.
4.
Oh.
Press 9.
Press 9. Where's 9? On the bottom.
9.
Oh, I was helping you.
Hello, this is David.
David.
I'm so sleepy.
He's tired.
I need to go to bed. Good night. Thanks for calling.
David's going to bed. Thank you for calling. Did you call David?
You called. Let's call them again
Should we
later.
call again more people?
Yeah.
We should call more people? Okay. What are we going to play now?
Come on, let's play. Music mode.
Do you like that song?
No.
You picked the songs right here, Micah. How many songs are there? There's 11. There's 12. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Here's 14. Bum, 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 bum. 16. You controlling it, Micah? Dun, 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 dun. We're at 21. Those are 21 songs. Songs. You push an iPod in there, I think, Micah. And it plays. You gotta push it down in it. See, it opens. Let's go to activity mode.
T says T. This is the letter I. Letter writing. Come on, let's
do
learn
letter writing.
to write.
Let's press T. Or D for Dad.
This is how you write the letter D.
Look, this is how you write the letter D.
First, go straight down.
Go straight
like
down.
This. This is how you write the letter H. First, go straight down like this. Then go straight down like this. Finally, make. Bye-bye.
Micah, you turned it off again. Oh no!
Ha! Me!
Ah!
Well, catch it.
You're gonna be the train guy? Okay.
Come on, let's play. Music mode. Activity mode. Fruits and colors.
You need your train hat on if you're gonna be the train guy.
Banana starts with the letter B. Orange. Purple starts with mango. Blue starts with the red. Starts with purple. Start by painting some yellow. Grape. The grape. The blueberries are blue. The avocado. The lemon. The apricot. Searching fun.
This thing has a lot of things on it.
Where is the avocado?
Where is the avocado? Can we find the avocado? Is that the avocado?
Avocado.
Yay! We did it!
Found it.
Micah decides to drive his train. We need a train hat.
Find the fruit that starts with the letter L.